Stop saying good. Native speakers use much richer vocabulary, and today you will too. Hey William, how was your weekend?
It was good.
Okay, that works. But what if I told you 10 better words that would make you sound far more natural?
I would say I'm all ears.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today we are upgrading one of the most overused words in English, good. You will learn 10 alternatives that native speakers actually use, with real context for each one. Good is a perfectly fine word. But when every positive thing you say is good, your food was good, the movie was good, your day was good, you sound like you only know one word.
And native speakers notice. Using varied vocabulary makes you sound fluent, not just functional.
Word 1. Great. Great is one step above good. It suggests something was notably positive.
The weather was great today. The meeting went great. I had a great time.
Word 2. Wonderful. Wonderful is warmer and more emotional than great.
That was a wonderful dinner. You look wonderful. What a wonderful surprise.
Word 3. Excellent. Excellent is more formal, perfect for professional contexts.
Your work on this project has been excellent. Excellent question. The service here is excellent.
Word 4. Fantastic. Fantastic is enthusiastic and energetic. You really mean it.
That concert was fantastic. You were fantastic in that interview. Fantastic news.
Word 5. Solid. Solid is informal and casual. It means reliable and well done.
That was a solid performance. A solid plan. He is a solid guy, very reliable.
Quick review so far. Great. One step above good. Wonderful. Warm and emotional. Excellent. Formal and professional. Fantastic. Enthusiastic. Solid. Casual and reliable. 5 more coming up. Word 6. Outstanding. Outstanding means it stands above everything else. Truly exceptional.
Your presentation was outstanding. Outstanding customer service. An outstanding result.
Word 7. Decent. Decent is honest. It means good enough, maybe not perfect but fine.
That is a decent restaurant. It pays a decent salary. He is a decent person.
Word 8. Superb. Superb is a high compliment. Very British but increasingly used in American English too.
The food was superb. A superb performance. Superb timing.
Word 9. Impressive. Impressive focuses on your reaction. You were surprised by how good it was.
That was impressive. Very impressive numbers. I am genuinely impressed.
Word 10. Top-notch. Top-notch is informal and fun, the highest quality.
This coffee is top-notch. Top-notch service. A top-notch team.
Practice time. I will describe a situation and you choose the best word.
Ready.
Your colleague finished a very difficult report faster than expected. What do you say?
That is impressive or outstanding if it really exceeded expectations.
Your friend's cooking was delicious and you want to compliment them warmly.
That was wonderful. Or fantastic if you want to sound more enthusiastic.
A colleague asks how the new system is working. It is okay, not amazing, but fine.
It is decent. Or solid, both work for something that is reliably acceptable.
Perfect. Notice how each word carries a slightly different emotional weight. Today's 10 words to replace good, great, wonderful, excellent, fantastic, solid, outstanding, decent, superb, impressive, and top-notch. The key is matching the word to the situation. Excellent for formal. Fantastic for enthusiasm. Decent for honest neutrality. Solid for casual reliability.
And the more you use these in real conversation, the more natural they will feel.
Which of these 10 words will you use first? Leave a comment below and tell us in English.
And if this was useful, which we think was outstanding, subscribe for more vocabulary upgrades every week.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast. See you in the next episode.